I'm so sleepy.
No, you're not.
I was just gonna slap you. Get it. Get it. What? Get it. What?
Get it. What? It's so dark. Who yells? The van is ready to go. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm pretty ready.
Tight.
I'm ready to do this.
Here comes Smolder. Oh, sunrise, sunrise. Gonna see a star tonight. Canada, here we go. Oh god.
Because I need to. It looks like it's just that I might have done that when I sparked it up and I didn't realize it. Because but when I was under there, I forgot to take this off.
Oh.
I had to release this, but it started sparking up there. But I don't know why that would do the melting.
Okay. Well, I'll look it up. Let's just for now. Alright, we made it to Tacoma and we are fixing our ground wire.
Hold that.
Because we think
and don't let that move.
That the issue is because the ground wire was too thin. So we got a thicker wire for the ground wire. Hopefully that stops it from melting, because if not, we're just gonna charge the battery in a different way.
I need to turn it. Actually, I got it from. I just think you have the other one.
Okay. We got it fixed, hopefully. We have music now.
So if the music goes up?
But I can't really hear it.
Oh, yeah.
I have an ear infection, I'm pretty sure. Alright, bye. Guys, we're at the border. Run across in an hour.
And also melts.
And also melts. We don't want to overheat the van because it was getting really hot. So we had to turn on the hot air.
Full blast.
On full blast. So,
see, look at my phone.
We got some heat going. I got a little setup back
There's
here.
some heat to make it heat go down.
With my fan in the window.
You're sucking the heat out of it.
And then this reflector up here. But there's Canada over there. It's just right out that window. Oh, Canada. I'm gonna.
Well, that's it.
Yeah, that's that's what's going on. We gotta wait here at the border for a while to actually cross. It's pretty busy, if you can see out there. A lot of cars. All right, I guess we'll see you at the border. Oh, Canada, let me inside of you. Oh, Canada, I want to come inside of you.
Oh, Canada, the land I call my temporary home.
Think in meters, guys. Think metric. What's our system called, Alicia? The U.S. metric system?
It's called inches and feet.
That is not a system. That's not what it's called.
And sometimes meters.
Oh my god.
No, is meters metric? Is meters metric? Oh, a meter. Hey, don't have this? I like the metric system. It makes more sense math-wise. You can easily do math rather than.
The temperature in the van is now 107.
Yeah, just about.
Alicia's brain has begun to melt.
Melting. My legs.
She can no longer speak. Melting. My legs. And, but I mean, at least the van hasn't overheated.
Yeah,
that would be
that's
worse
good.
than us overheating.
Just us, just the humans
We're
driving
this close
it.
to the border. We can actually see the entrance now. This is how close we are now.
Oh my god.
So close.
So soaked.
We're in Canada! Woo! We made it, and
We just got in.
it was really fast.
Thank you.
See this real quick? I'll give you a hand stamp as well. There we go. And one for you.
This is the bridge, guys.
This is it. You see it once.
See you once. He's like, yes, I'm outside. I love it.
So it's survivable year round. We get a little bit of snow here.
I'll take the low. Para lang primero, para sa atin.
Quick question. So the V for the black bean burger, is that vegan or vegetarian? The is it meat guys or vegetarian or the
Oh my G. Max is upset.
It's okay, I got it. Not me. I'm not the one doing that. Okay. Whatever keeps doing it.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna go on that.
Yeah.
That's the cliff walk.
Oh my god. This is moving so much. Oh, here we go.
What is this? Oh yeah, you know you want that. Good boy. Yeah, we're
I'm so in love right now. I'm so in love.
That made me really uncomfortable.
Endor, how do you spell that though?
And
A-N.
the letter N.
No,
letter
it's
N.
E-N.
Door. D-O-O-R.
Yeah.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Ah!
It's your bitter tongue.
Gross.
Got on the
Bit
log.
my lip.
And or.
And door. And door.
And door.
And scene.
And
And
Alicia, move.
oh.
West Nile, they carry viruses. For us.
Yeah, I was like, they actually are really bad. Spread diseases. Are you taking a video or a picture?
That's like,
Walking the plank, walking the plank. Me and Max are walking the plank. And just let
Push
that.
Leisha off the
Had to
plank.
go.
woo!
Bless you. Thanks. I love you. Wait, I'm not ready.
I was like, who's taking a picture of us?
Who is that guy? And if anyone knows who this person is, please report him to the police. He's taking Polaroid pictures. He's taking pictures of us
we didn't even ask.
unwillingly.
You want to actually put those?
And other
We have
stuff.
to get beer repellent. Beer repellent?
Yes, beer repellent just for Alicia.
Yeah, right.
We need to keep the beer away from Alicia. Because he obviously had way too much.
lot of Karens, and but they both use their feet to catch.
Little reindeer butt mix. Lay down, plank. Plank. On your stomach.
Get it? Get it.
But now tell me, oh my god. Do you know how high you are?
No. Yeah. Pretty high.
You're pretty high.
Pretty high.
Hey, Emily.
Superman!
Oh my god.
Did he?
This is the part I was jumping on and Ben was freaking out. Emily! Okay.
Trying to do yoga.
Trying to do yoga.
He's a tree now.
Hi, Emily. Okay, so we were gonna camp here tonight at this wonderful place. It's like a super dope park, and they have their campsites are like right on the water, but they're full. So we have to go find something else. Setting up. This is where Alicia's sleeping tonight. On the floor bed. And me and Emily are up here. And the other bed. We found a campsite. Hello.
Hi, I want to go jump in the lake.
And then we want to go jump in the lake.
Just real quick.
Just real quick. And here's Max. Where'd he go? Max! Max, where are you? Come here. Come here. Max has a little run, so he can run. Max. Bub. Come here, baby. Max-a-rini. We're walking. It's really dark. I don't know if you could see me, but I know you can hear me. We are walking to the lake to see if it is swimmable. Which it looks like it's not. So, we're going to jump in anyway. Because this is Canada. We're on vacation. Yeah, this is definitely just like a pond lake.
Yeah. There's a trail that goes all the way around it though.
I wish we had more time here. Just listen to it.
Wildlife.
Just listen.
Yeah, it's over there. Dusty.
Yeah.
I did hear it though.
What do you see, Alicia?
Yeah.
I saw dinosaurs, so.
No.
Yeah, I see like an upside down dinosaur.
Okay, now look for a cowboy.
Look for a cowboy.
Eyes, nose, mouth, hat. The sides of his hat are turned up. You know? There's a 10-gallon hat.
See a rabbit or a duck.
That's it.